ants allowed in my garage. Hey, I'm Brittany from prettyhandygirl.com, and today I'm going to go ahead and try to turn this dresser into a vanity. I'm working on the Millie's remodel project, and I looked everywhere for a vanity for the bathroom, and I really didn't like any of the options out there. They either were too expensive or they just looked really cheaply made. So I ordered this dresser online, and the first one that arrived was broken. But they sent a second one. This one looks in good shape. It has the mid-century modern look that I'm after, but I'm gonna have to do a couple modifications to make it accept a sink with the plumbing underneath. Anyway, I wanna go ahead and show you how I'm gonna do this. So I've never actually taken a dresser and turned it into a vanity, but I'm pretty sure it can be done because it seems simple enough, because I think it's gonna work. We'll see. I don't know. First time I've tried it, but it seems easy enough. So let's go ahead and try it out. The modifications I need to make are remove the legs, modify the second drawer for the plumbing, secure the top drawer face, add a countertop, faucet, and sink. Oh, and ditch that plant and book, unless you want some reading material on the toilet. To begin, I'm removing the top drawer. Most drawer slides have a release lever on the sides like this one. Next, I'm going to remove the drawer slides for the top drawer because these can be used on another project. Then I had to remove the drawer knobs to disconnect the drawer face from the drawer box. And how many times can I say drawer? Set the top drawer face somewhere safe while we work on the dresser. Hey Siri, how tall is a bathroom vanity?
Here's what I found.
Oh, good, now I know. So typically bathroom vanities are anywhere from 30 to 36 inches tall, and with the previous legs that were on this dresser, I would have been looking at like 38 inches when we added the countertop. So I've removed the legs and I'm replacing them with these square feet that I got at the home improvement store. And unfortunately I picked up the wrong bracket, so I'm gonna go ahead and make this work with what I've got here. I've already stained the feet, and I'm gonna go ahead and coat them with a polyurethane just to protect them from water. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and coat the bottom of the dresser too. Since it's a bathroom, there's lots of water in there. I wanna go ahead and protect this dresser and the feet the best I can. So in addition to the feet, I'm gonna go ahead and add plastic nail-in floor protectors. I'm not sure what they're called, but anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and nail those in the bottom too to just set it off the floor a slight amount so that we don't have water seeping into the bottom of these dresser feet. Anyway, let's go ahead and continue with this dresser, turning it into a vanity. Because I'm an idiot and I didn't get the right kind of brackets for the feet, I'm going to use a generous amount of wood glue and set the feet into the previous leg holes. Then to secure them in place while the glue hardens, I added a few trim nails through the bottom of the dresser and into the feet. Now that the glue has cured, I can nail in those plastic floor protectors. Before flipping the dresser over, I wanted to add one final coat of polyurethane to the base of the dresser, just for good measure. You may have noticed that I put kind of floor protectors on the bottom. That's just so this will sit up off the floor and it won't sit in any puddles of water. And then I'm more concerned about splashing on here or just moisture in general in the bathroom. That's why I sealed it. Time to alter that second drawer to make room for the drain and plumbing. I've seen several vanities that are built with a U-shaped drawer, so that's what I'm going to create. To allow for the maximum amount of storage in the drawer, I measured where my plumbing is and transferred the measurements to the drawer bottom. I used my Dremel Ultrasaw to cut along my marks into the bottom of the drawer. Then I finished the corner cuts with my oscillating multi-tool. Finally, the cut is continued into the back of the drawer. I cut down 1/2-inch plywood scraps to create the cutout sides. I'm such a visual builder that holding the plywood in place and marking a line was the easiest way for me to build this section. See? Perfect fit. As you can see, I left some of the supports on the bottom of the drawer to secure the new sides to, but I had to add a small block to the center for something else to nail to. After adding some wood glue, I used clamps to hold it in place until the glue dried. In the meantime, I'm painting the inside of the box and the sides black so you can't see that this drawer was Frankensteined together. Yes, Frankenstein is a word, and I'm sticking to it. The cutout section of the drawer gets assembled with more wood glue and brad nails. And while I had my nail gun out, I added a few nails to that center block. I may be considered an overbuilder, but hey, my creations are going to last the test of time. To secure the inner section of the drawer sides, I added some wood glue to the joints and held it in place with some clamps. Then I drove a few brad nails into the blocking. Baby wipes are used to clean up any glue squeeze out. Can we talk about baby wipes for a second? I have packages of wipes all over the house and use them for everything, even though my kids are teenagers. We've arrived at the portion of the conversion where I need to cut into the top of the dresser. I've seen lots of dressers turned into vanities where the wood top was left as is. Personally, I think this is asking for trouble because you need to seal the wood really well to prevent water spots and swelling wood. Because this vanity is going into a rental, I decided to buy a granite top for the dresser. Did you know that most countertop fabricators have remnants that are budget friendly? Half the time, I think they are just happy to get rid of their offcuts. Time to secure the top drawer face. I added a few pieces of square molding to the inside of the dresser. This will give me something to secure the face to. To get even spacing between drawers, I used wood shims to hold the drawer face and adjust the face until it had equal spacing on all 4 sides. Then I quickly tacked it in place with some brad nails. Inside the dresser, I pre-drilled some holes for screws to permanently hold the drawer face. Now I'll put the knobs back onto the dresser, but of course they are too long now that the drawer is gone. No worries, I have a simple way to shorten the screw without stripping the threads. Did you know that the holes in electrician's pliers are made for just this purpose? Simply open the pliers, lining up the holes, find the hole that the screw threads into, thread it into the pliers, then squeeze to cut the screw. Voila! Cutting machine screws doesn't get any easier. I'm almost done, but I need to check that the sink will fit inside the dresser. Alright, it fits, but I need enough room for the faucet and the water hoses in the back. I'll make a quick notch into the back of the dresser with my multi-tool. So this is the main bathroom, and I got it installed, and the countertop guys are coming today to template it, so I'm super excited. We did have to cut a little bit back here to allow for the water lines to fit, but otherwise I think it's gonna be good. I am so happy with how this dresser converted into a mid-century modern bathroom vanity. Do you love the look? Is this something you'd like to try yourself? Let me know, and feel free to leave me a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. Take care and definitely subscribe to my channel for another Millie's Remodel update. I'll be sharing the before and after of the whole house real soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.